In the bustling, AI-driven future of 2045, where creativity and technology intertwine like the ivy on a brick wall, a single day in the life of Leah, a robotics engineer, encapsulates the societal transition brought by science. Wake up to the sweet chirp of a holographic bird alarm, nestled by the bedside hologram projection pad. Leah, with the sharpness of a circuit's edge, springs into action. Her assistant, a sleekly designed robot named Polaris, articulates the day's schedule with fluid ease, a harmonious blend of code and cadence.
Good morning, Leah.
Today's agenda includes the AI Ethics Summit at 10 a.m., the Robotics Integration Showcase at 2 p.m., and a review of the new AI-driven prosthetic limb project tonight. As Leah prepares, Polaris, embodying the epitome of robotic hospitality, brews a perfect cup of coffee, its calculated efficiency and mannish flair providing evidence of lifelike instincts. Leah, appreciating the convenient robotics assistance, ponders over the advancements since the first automated machines she once studied, entities that were deaf and blind compared to today's lifelike androids. She marvels at how far technology has come. The frictionless collaboration between humans and their automated companions crafted a world of ease and possibility. At the summit, visions of AI's role in creating smart cities with zero emissions are shared, with drones delivering healthcare supplies to remote areas and self-driving pods easing traffic congestion. Speakers illustrate how AI-enhanced robots meticulously perform life-saving surgeries, providing unprecedented precision while monitoring patient vitals in real time, ensuring the best care possible. During the showcase, Leah demonstrates a new household robot, one capable of managing both mundane chores and engaging families with intelligent dialogue. Parents express relief, imagining evenings spent with children rather than burdened with chores, as the robot works seamlessly alongside human counterparts, embracing collaboration rather than competition. In a candid reflection over dinner, such innovations spark debates around the ethics of AI, its potential impacts on employment, and the delicate boundary between innovation and intrusion. Robots that read emotions and provide companionship to the elderly or disabled paint a heartening picture, inspiring hope rather than fear. The narrative weaves through these scenes, highlighting robotic agility as seen on construction sites prone to dangerous conditions, machines working alongside skilled humans. Subtle transitions ease conversations into the future, hinting at AI's regulatory frameworks necessary to balance innovation with ethics. As the night deepens, Leah wraps up her work on the AI prosthetic project that embodies not just technology, but empathy, ensuring it's accessible and understood by all.